Hi guys and welcome back. I've got a two-part tutorial for you today. Part one, I'm going to show you how to make this fabric bookmark, and in part two I'm going to show you how to make this fabric book weight. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. All you need for the fabric book weight is 2 pieces of fabric, 10 inches by 4 inches, some rice in a bowl with a funnel. If you haven't got a funnel, you can make one out of paper, some pinking shears and some pins and clips. So all we're going to do is take our 2 pieces of fabric and we're going to pin them wrong sides together. We're going to take it over to the sewing machine and we're going to sew from here to here, up to here, along to here, back down to here and to here, leaving about an inch gap open to put the rice in. So now it's all sewn together. You've got your gap to pour your rice in at the bottom or the top, whichever one you've picked. All we need to do now is trim the loose threads, and we're going to neaten off this edge and this edge, but we're going to leave this edge for now. So the edge where your opening is, we're not going to bother trimming just yet. As you cut it, make sure you leave yourself a little bit. Don't go too close to the seam. You're going to want a little bit, just like that. And then again, don't do that one. And then if we bring in our rice, all we're going to do is fill the pouch with the rice. Now this can take some time, and you will definitely need a bowl to catch any rice that escapes. Just keep going. key to this, you don't want to overfill it because you're still going to have to get up and sew it closed. Once you think you've got enough in there, move away your bowl and pin it closed. You might need a couple of pins because you don't want any rice escaping. What we're going to do is we're just going to shake it, make sure there's none in the seams. So there you have it. All we need to do now is sew the opening closed and trim this bit, and we're finished. So we're going to sew the opening closed. You can hand sew this, but I'm going to choose to use the machine. But what I have done is I've changed over to my zipper foot just so I can get that little bit closer. So you just want to line it up to where your stitches are. Put the needle in the fabric. Press a foot down. Backstitch a couple and then sew it closed and backstitch again at the end. So now we're finished, all we have to do is trim that last edge. And there you have it, your finished book weight. So next time you're reading a book, just use that to keep the pages open.